Hello, welcome back to Conkers Bad Fur Day. Last time we got the cow to drink some cranberry juice and gave her the screaming shits. This time we're gonna, I think, if I can remember, I think we do that. Right back into the action. Technically this isn't really a boss fight. I guess you can say it's more like a boss event. Now where's my thing? Where's my thing? Oh my god, it's coming for me! Woo! Ole! Come on. Where's my wall? There's my wall. Alright, let's go. Hit her again. Go get some prune juice. Hurry up, go eat some more prune juice. Hurry up. I gotta hit her again? Okay. Alright. Let's hit her again. Get some damn juice. Oh, he's trying to buck me off. Yeah, go up there. Eat some more juice. Moving around here, come on. Oh, look out. Just come take a shit. Alright. Alright. I think we do it one more time and I think we're good to go. Let me find the next doorway here. Right there. Alright. I just gotta find the wall. Oh no! Oh! I didn't make it on top of the platform there. Alright. If he can manage to get himself stuck in the wall. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's see here. Oh, I missed! Oh! Alright, I guess. I'm due to one miss. I've had a perfect game so far. Come on there, cow. Bull, whatever you are. Right. Let's get a little turn around here. There we go, dead on. Straight shot. I think we gotta hit her again. Oh, no, wait. Oh, shit. Alright. Get back to my wall here. Alright, got him again. Alright, another dead on one here. Now let's try not to fall off. Do little circles here. Circle motion. No, you ain't. Oh! Damn it. I guess I gotta get him back to the wall here. Come on, land it right. You got this. Come on, you big dummy. Oh my god, I probably gotta jump down. There you go, yeah, dead on. Come on. Alright, now let's hit her one more time. Go get a drink. Yeah! I think that's it. That should be good now. Yep, she's going to go get a drink. Alright, man, she had the shits real quick. Alright, let's turn. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hit her. Oh, I missed! Damn it. Alright. Find that thing again. Come on, all I gotta do is hit her. I got her this time. Line it up. Yeah!
filled up with poo. That should do it.
Alright, let's go down here. Oh yeah! Getting in that poo. Oh look, a tail. Oh, damn it, damn it. Damn it! Alright. I heard some money. Down maybe? How do I dive? How do I dive? Or maybe I don't dive. Alright.
Yeah. Hey, I feel a lot more confident. Yeah. Won't need these anymore. And if I'm a lot more confident, then I should be able to swim underwater now.
Or under poo.
Let's see.
Because that's not water.
Press B, and that should submerge me. Then, once I'm in the water, hold down B to make me swim. Point the control stick in the direction you want to go. That's it. Are you sure you got that?
Yes, I got that. Alright. Alright, now we can dive. Hey look, there's the bowl. Alright, let's see here. Where did that poo and money? I could swear I heard some money. Or maybe I didn't. Alright, this is... I think I'm supposed to go down here. Oh my god, my face is turning blue! No! I'm gonna drown! Alright, made it out of there. Oh, we're okay. I guess he left. Oh, he's right
there.
there.
There it is, over there. Big ball of poo. Oh, thanks. Just get open to it, mate. Yeah, thanks.
Alright. I think now we gotta... If I remember correctly, we roll the poo with one hand up here. And we gotta dodge these guys, I think. Where's he at? There he is. He goes in his house. I roll my poo. Keep on rolling so he doesn't come back out and get me. Keep on rolling. Stop. Wait for him to go in his... Oh! No! Go in your damn house, jerk. Yeah, get out of my way. I'm gonna roll my poo. Oh, crap. I forgot how to get rid of this guy. Shit. I forgot what I'm supposed to do with the big guy there. Alright, I guess I get an unlimited amount of big balls of poo. Okay. Can't remember if I'm supposed to do something up here or not. Oh god, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. Run. Run. Alright, I think I'm supposed to put a big ball of poo in there. Ooh. Hey, yeah, I put something here. What do I do? How do I get here, though? Oh, shit. Don't touch me! Oh, shit. Ah, there we go. That's what I'm supposed to do. I gotta... Oh, shit. I gotta roll poo that way. I just forgot. I think I'm also supposed to roll some poo over here. Oh, wait. There we go. Pretty sure I'm supposed to roll some poo this way. Yeah, that soundtrack, man. Alright, I think we just push it right off. It lands on that guy. Yep. other one, the next one up over there. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Keep moving here. I think that way takes me to the castle, but I can't get there because the bridge is all fucked up. Alright, now let's push this piece of poo. Oh, shit. Alright. Get it on up here. Shit. Keep messing up. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now I'm going the right way. Oh, damn, he's not going to sleep. What the hell? What the hell? You're supposed to go the other way. I'm going back to bed. No, no, no. Stay on the road. Stay on the road. There we go. Alright. He went in his house. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Don't know if I'm going to make it. Don't know if I'm going to make it. Oh, no, no, no. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it. Roll, 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 roll. Alright, made it. That was easy. Here we go. Alright. Okay, and now I can roll one all the way up the mountaintop. Alright, gonna go ahead and end this video here. Make sure you tune in next time as we roll the ball of poo all the way up on top of shit mountain. See you next time. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment.